any business when you are working is based out of people only. So once you will be ensuring that the people are growing with the organization, then things are going to grow and it will be much better, and it gives a lot of satisfaction also. My father was a professor of physics in Ghaziabad. Anybody wants to learn anything, it's free to come even at home, and he loved teaching. And he was always been saying it out that this is something which is the biggest, I will say, Dan part of it. This is the Vidya Dan is the one of the very important aspect, and this is something which is been upbringing the society. So this has something which has been, I have inherited from him, to that I should be also doing something which has been good for society. I started with a very small company with the Sidomal Group in Ghaziabad, and then moved to Rockwell Automation. There I was there for approximately 17 years. And then E&Y contacted and they hired me to turn around this innovative industries. Metamorphosis was born in March 2018. Since 2019 we were nowhere, because it was innovative. We are having an attachment of a brand which was totally not trustworthy. So financiers will have a tough time to give it out. And then Girish has done the investment to take into this liquidation, and then we worked it out together to make sure that Metamorphosis was born. Without his support and help, it was really not possible to bring it out, because initially 2 years we were only on losses. Who will fund the loss? So we manufacture precision tubes. Also we are slowly going forward where we can produce much more valued tubes in coming time. I think one of the reasons of taking these turnarounds is because that is also helping it out, direct or indirect, to the many of the people who will be suffering maybe because of the bad business or things. Like in Innovative, when this has gone into the liquidation, it was a 450 workers was out. And there was no job for them. Somebody was selling the vegetables, somebody was cleaning something, and all those part of it. So when we started, we have taken around 280 back. That this way we can be able to give more to the society.
We are targeting to grow at 40 to 50% annually and achieve annual volumes of 100,000 metric tons and revenues of $200 million in the next 3 to 4 years. To achieve that, we are making significant investments not only in capacity addition but also in equipment that will enable us to manufacture higher ranges of tubes as well as value-added products and finished products.
So access to capital is being a milestone which has helped Metamorphosis to grow and what we are today, as well as what we are going to be in future, because that's the starting point.